Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So if you guys are wondering how to go live on the TikTok application, even though you don't have 1,000 followers, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so this is going to be pretty easy, because what we need to do first is to go ahead and proceed with launching the TikTok application. So, as of the current moment, guys, there is actually no way for us to go live on the TikTok application if we don't have 1,000 followers or more. TikTok does basically go through its users that want to go live and see if they are eligible of going live. So if you don't really have 1,000 followers or more on the TikTok application, there's actually no way for you to go live on the application itself. And I don't really want to be the bearer of bad news, guys, in this video, but as of the current moment, that is the only way for us to go live on TikTok. We do need to have 1,000 followers or more, so if you don't really have them, this is your sign to just go on and try hard on TikTok until you have 1,000 followers, and of course, ultimately have the opportunity to be eligible to go live on TikTok. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.